Good morning, beautiful people!
We are in Valley of Constellation, Tatacoa Desert in Colombia.
And today we will do a renovation, we will fix our camper, and we will also paint it to make it nicer, cleaner.
We always speak about Lucky LeAw and we speak just about the truck.
The Ford F-250.
But Lucky LeAw is a truck camper, so we need to take care about the camper as well.
Because it's old, we have done a lot of off-road. When we bought it, it was already damaged, it was rotten. So we have to fix it and we have to make it stronger in order to get to Argentina. So today we will do it.
Today is the day we think is the perfect spot to do the works that we need to do because we are in peace, nobody will bother us.
We are completely alone here in the desert. Let's do it, let's start. So I got all the wheels, the spare wheels, and I made a wood structure so we can work. Up here we have no stairs, we are in the middle of the desert, we cannot ask people for something, so we have to build it. I will start trying to fix these parts on the back.
Okay.
They are opening. And also down here, so I will put some screws, I will put some silicone. Sara will be putting the silicone in all the joint parts.
I will cover with paper all the part that we don't want to paint with the spray, the silver spray. We will paint Lucky LeAw always silver. We have some spare cans spray that we didn't use in New Mexico when we paint the camper Lucky LeAw the first time. So I will cover all the windows, all the parts that we don't need to paint. First we need to just try to fix Lucky LeAw and then we will go to the static part. This part is damaged and we have also the other part is damaged, and this one is the worst one. It's almost open here. See, I'm on the roof, top of the camper, and we resealed everything the last time in Mexico, in the Yucatan, and actually the roof, it's pretty good. Just this window is broken. We changed this one, thank you to the Matneys. We broke this one, and Luca makes covering wood for the fridge because we cannot find a cover for the fridge anywhere. But everything seems pretty good to me. But if you look here, this part is bad. The silicone is not good anymore. So from here, when it's raining, when it's pouring water like in this period of the year, this is not good. We need to remake all this area here. See? Same on this side.
Okay, this side it's better, the other side is worse. You can see here it started opening. As you can see there is all so it's moving, you can see here. I bought these pieces of steel. I already bent two of them 90 degrees, so my idea will be to put them up here, one on the top and one a little bit below, like this, to try to hold these together because it's moving. But first I will put some screws here, so I'm making these holes. I have 5 screws here to put, so I already made 4 holes. We'll make one more. and I will start putting these screws, putting all this steel inside. With a hammer I will try to close it, put the screws.
I started covering all the sign, the thing that we don't want to spray, to paint.
Because here is important. Here it's where the electricity is.
Potable water.
Potable water.
I need to remove now the two logos on the two sides.
These logos.
This logo, the LeAw logos, 1 and 2, because they are damaged. We will keep this one. So I will clean this and I will cover with the paper tape. I cover this one because it's the numbers, the license of the camper, so it's important to keep it. I will remove also that logo here because it's, as you can see, the surface of the camper is not flat. So after a while it's all damaged. So, and we will keep also the sticker on the front.
On the front we will keep it,
yes.
So we will not remove that one.
Yeah.
You will cover a little bit.
I will cover a little bit this one, and then I will put some oil on the wooden structure that Luca built in Canada, in Grand Prairie, that is holding the camper perfectly. It's unbelievable.
And Sara also will be putting all the silicone here on the joints of the camper to prevent water coming inside.
And then as soon as we have the possibility, we will buy a product for the wood, for the moisture, for animals, so that keep the structure stronger, not just oil. Okay, back to work.
So here is our camper where I put all the screws, everything we're using. There I'm working there. We have the fire to cook at night, some cactus looking.
Our office, our home, everything in one place.
I'm putting the screws to hold all this part. Okay, because as you can see, this is moving. So what I want to do now is put it in with the hammer, and then when I will screw this one, it will hold it down, and I will do the same up here.
On the other side.
Yes.
Good. What you will find a lot in Colombia are blackberries. I think this is more mulberries. And then I add panela. Panela, you can find panela pulverizada or panela redonda, that is like, find these in the supermarket. And it's sugar cane. We add some lime juice. That's it. Perfect for hot day outside, remodeling the camper. Luca is trying to make some shade outside. Do you want to have some mulberry juice?
Yes, please.
Ready?
Wow, the desert cactus.
The desert cactus cup. This is the LeAw cup.
So I put some bottle of water because bottles of water because I made this little shade for drink this.
You're really ingenious, Luca. Yes, you always surprise me with your ideas. I think it's great.
Let's drink. Oh, now it's too sunny to keep working. I just put one of the two parts up there. I will put two of them, and since on this side it's on the shade, we'll start taking off that one and working down here. As you can see, down here it's really bad damaged. It's all falling apart. So I will start fixing here and fixing up there. That it's broken all the way down here. Desert, it's so hot. I put this blue thing to get this little piece of shade just to drink something. I will put all my tools, everything there, but I will work on the other side now. What I have to do is try to put all this steel in there. And then put some screws.
Close it, yeah?
And seal it.
Yeah.
I was thinking to put some screws with this. Also here, try to hold it. It's a hard job because it's not going in.
Because it's too hard or because it's too low? Like the camper is too distant here. I know what you mean.
We'll see what's happening. I put all the outside part of the camper inside as much as I could, and now I will put this one and screw it all along because there is wood underneath, and probably in a few of them I will put something going through. I will see.
Soy oil.
Soy oil, cooking oil.
See, yes, you can use it for fry, for salad, for dressing. You can see the difference between where I put the oil and where there is no oil.
Where it's still dry, without oil, and where you put the oil. Nice and hydrated.
Yeah, of course this is not enough to protect the wood, but it's a treatment for the wood.
It's a starting.
It's a starting, it's the first step.
What I'm doing, and I'm putting one screw, leaving 4 empty, one screw, 4 empty, one screw, 4 empty. And I will do it till here. Then I will do step 2. I'll try to see what to do down here.
I would love Lucky LeAw all made like this. You know, the profiles of Lucky LeAw. I think it's really rock.
We hope not to need it.
To need it. Yeah, but I like it.
I'm cutting some more pieces because I will be putting a triangle here, and I have to also seal here because, as you can see down here, it's breaking apart. So I will reinforce this area, and then I will start working on this area up here. You can see it's getting loose here, and then up there tomorrow morning. So we have work for a few days.
And yeah, I think 2 days.
Now it's ready to put all the silicone, seal it, everything with the silicone, and then we will be able to paint it tomorrow.
I like this one, this steampunk camper style. I would like to make all these all around Lucky LeAw.
Yeah, we should, because it's all falling apart.
No, he's strong. Strong. Now I will remove the logos.
It's time to take off the old sticker. You can see the paint, how it was when it was new underneath.
Wow, it's pretty strong still.
What a good quality
Yeah,
sticker.
super. Made it in Canada.
Yeah, we bought it in Canada.
Look guys, rainbow in the desert. It's a good sign. Thank you, rainbow. Ciao. I clean the window up there. I cover the Leave Everything and Wander motto. And Luca just finished one side. In the back, there's a sailing boat here.
Up there, I put the two.
Now it's finished.
Yes,
Silicone.
just to put silicone everywhere.
You make also the other side or not?
No, I will start now.
Okay.
You have to bend these ones. What I do, I put wood here, and then just like that we have a 90 degrees angle.
Day number 2.
Today we woke up really early in the morning, about 5:30, to avoid the really hard sun.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yeah, this side was really bad, and now it's time to start putting the silicone.
Silicone is our best friend at this moment.
This is a sexy position.
Really comfortable as well. Everything is ready, but we have a problem.
The
problem is the wind. So everything is ready to be painted, but we cannot paint. It's a spray, it's a can, so it's impossible, you see?
With this wind, if we try to spray, all the spray will go away.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it's all ready. We seal everything. So it's all ready to paint. But we have to wait the wind to go away.
It's raining. It's raining in the desert. Unbelievable. Right when we were ready to paint Lucky LeAw.
Yeah. We made a fire. We are cooking our dinner. Can you show the fire?
I prepare lentils, rice.
And I prepared the table.
Yeah, Luca prepared the table,
with the two
fire
spare
pit.
tires underneath.
Beautiful.
The fire and the two seats there.
And then we discovered something really cool about that cactus.
You can see that cactus over there.
Yeah, we showed the first day, but then we need to tell the story. Okay guys, Luca prepared this beautiful cover. So we have this tent. We are collecting in the meantime
Water from the rain.
Yeah, you see? So we can use this for washing the dishes, or I don't know, washing Lucky LeAw. Lunch/dinner is on the fire, and this is the desert with the rain. That it's becoming green. If you look, it's green. Lunch is ready. I put inside lentils, rice, onion, extra virgin olive oil, carrots, corn, beans, achiote. Colombian people used to give some taste to the food and to make the food red, and curry, salt, and that's it. We love to cook on the fire. This pan, we have these pans in Mexico, right?
Yeah.
And in Italian, we call this material terracotta. How it looks.
It's delicious.
We make a research, and this cactus is called Cactus cabecinegro, and it's making flowers. Here you go. And this kind of fruit that is edible. So now I'm gonna pick one, and Luca and I will try. This one is full of seeds, and they said it's really good for the stomach. Are you ready to try the fruit of the Cactus cabecinegro?
Usually it's the outside part that the good one.
No, this one. Ta-da! They call this pitahaya, and it's really similar to pitaya or dragon fruit because it's really
looks like,
similar to.
inside.
Yes. Want to try it?
Vado?
Kind of sweet, almost no taste, but it was an experience.
Fun to try.
Day number 3.
Okay.
Getting ready to paint.
We will try a new technique, hyperlapse with the drone. So everything has to be ready and set. Let's paint, no wind. Let's do it. We made the stickers, as you can see here. We are now cutting them to put it on Lucky LeAw.
Leave everything and wander. So for everyone that asks us, what does it mean leave, it means leave everything and wander.
Our logo is getting back
To life.
Sara made an amazing job, look at that. She covered all the sticker.
We didn't make it a new one. So I have
This
to.
is the old one.
There was some clear paint to fix the sticker. Because with the rain, with the wind, with the storms, with all the weather conditions, the stickers, they will remain and they will stay longer. Alaska to Argentina. This is the project. So we put Leave Everything and Wander. This was already there. Alaska to Argentina. YouTube, Instagram and Facebook, Leave Everything and Wander channel and page. Now it's time to watch Lucky LeAw to apply the last piece, the masterpiece.
so the masterpiece is this sticker here. Will take a while to put it. We will try to put it best as we can. Sara, as you saw, just washed the hood. And now it's time to try to put it.
Unfortunately, it's a clear one. It's not a cutted one like the ones that we put on the camper. So I don't know the result, but it's too many details on the word map. So on the planet, this is impossible
to cut and just glue all the pieces.
Let's
try. Okay, so this is the result. Sara doesn't like it. I don't like it either. But we don't know. As you can see, there is a lot of bubbles. Since here is not flat and the map it's quite big, we managed to make almost half without bubbles, but the other half. And plus, we don't like the fact that you can see even the clear part, that it's different. And on this side is terrible, all the bubbles. So
I don't like the fact here that you can see all. I could imagine that it will be like this. Now I have the proof that it's like this, so I don't like it.
We'll wait your comments. If somebody of you can tell us if it's possible to have a cut map sticker like the letters, we would love to put a new one.
Are you happy?
Yes, look this sunset.
And this is the result, guys. We hope you like the new Lucky LeAw.
If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe to our channel.
If you would like to support our adventure, our expedition, our videos, please consider making a PayPal donation or being our patrons.
Thank you so much, guys. We love you. We appreciate you. Thank you for traveling along with us always.
From Constellation Valley, Tatacoa Desert, Colombia, South America, this is all. See you on the next one. Ciao!
Ciao!
Bye.